So yeah guys, it's working. Yeah, I'm happy. Good afternoon everybody. Well, it's afternoon here in cloudy. So I got my order from Lazada. This is a part of my GoPro is waterproof. For the waterproof cover. I think it's a case, something like that. So I paid 620 pesos. I don't know how much that for dollars. Maybe $20 or something. $20. So I will get my. So let's do open, guys. Let's open. I'm excited because I've been waiting this for more than a week. Yeah. Alright, so we have to open. I have another one for the chin mount, but it's still on the way. For the helmet chin mount holder, GoPro holder. So yeah, I'm still waiting for that. So yeah, from this bag, they put the bubble bag. Wow, Awaji will love this bubble to pop up. Yeah. So yeah, open. And this is what they call this. Me one and now is 14. Wow, it's almost half of month. I don't know how to open this. Maybe this one. Wow, this is quite difficult to open. I don't know if this is the right. Maybe this one. Wow. So I was wrong. So this is the screw, and this is the holder, and this is the case. Wow. Wow. But wait a minute. It's quite big, you know. It's supposed to be small with my wow. So how am I gonna open this? So we have to get my GoPro and try. So here's my GoPro. Yeah. But I don't know how to open this. There's no instruction, guys, so I don't know which one. Hold on. This in that possible? I don't know. It's quite difficult. probably this one. I'm afraid to break, guys, actually. Ah, okay. So it's hard first actually. So you have to flip the screen, this one, the lock, and then flip up. So just like that. And it will be like that. And then what's next? I think this something like this. I don't have any idea for this. Yeah. And then this one. What's happening? Why it's too hard to open? Ah. And you know, guys, what's the problem on this one? Uh, you can't do a voice. Yeah, you can't hear you. Never can. It will never hear your voice if you want to talk on this. This actually sucks. So I have to use this kind. Oh, so I need the hard part before I can open. So this is it, and we have to try. Yeah, have to try. Yeah. So it's just like this. Yeah, and we have to try if we can open. Ah, okay. Yeah, you can open. You can open, guys. Yes. So, and then you have to try. So you can't, if you did not sit yet, you just have to open. So you can just hit this button and start. And yeah, it's work. Yeah, it's working. So, well, it's good because all what I heard about the Lazada is not so negative actually. But at least now is my order is good. You know, it's positive. So at least it's work. But it's quite hard to open this thing because they make sure it's waterproof, so they have to put tight on it. Right. So it's working. It's working. So that's it. And yeah, I'm glad. I'm glad I have it. And also this one. I have another one in this. I lost the other one actually. So yeah. But let me try here in the artisan. This is quite big one. Mm. Ah, okay. Yeah. Artisan. Artisan. So yeah, guys, it's working. Working. Yeah, I'm happy. I am so happy I got it. I'm gonna do this. So yeah, I have to take this off the plastic because maybe when I use this then it's blurry because of this plastic. So yeah, hope it's not as sun water sensitive. Yeah, it's quite nice. I'm happy. So okay, I have to put it back. Have to careful before I broke. So I have to do that and close. And all is secure. And this, I can use this or like that. But this is funny because is we are it's different. What I have this in that one. This one is actually is China. That's all China. Never will never the same as the original. But the price is just like the same as the original. And it's bad, you know. It's yeah, yeah, it's not really so tight than the one I have it. But anyway, I'm glad that is come today. Yeah, and I have another one for the chin mount for the helmet. So I'm waiting for that. So this is the whole thing, guys. I order is the waterproof protector for my GoPro. And you know my GoPro is it's I dropped accidentally last time. You know, as you can see the what's this the damage on this part. Yeah, I have rubber the body in this one. I have a rubber. So yeah, in this one I don't know how to talk because you can't hear it. I think if I use it, maybe this is good for the rain, but I still have to do audio call. You know why, guys? I have a I hope I can have the Bluetooth so I can talk separate, but is can hear with this camera. So I don't need to audio voice, you know. And I wish I could have another one for this, so I could put one on my mouth and also one on my bike and facing on me while I'm driving, or else I can put over here on my chest. Then yeah, I wish I could have that. It's better this one for the camera. Guys, I have to explain that why the GoPro is better than the camera. It's because I am always driving with two-handed. I am not like Mike. He have always one-handed driving, and then the other camera he have holding the camera, and the other hand is holding the camera. So I can't do that. He's better bike than me, and you know, as extra careful also for me. I am not attempting to do that, even though I can. Yes, I can do it, but my fear is, you know, you don't know what is in the road. So I better not to do that. You know. Yes, I'm happy. So anyway, this is it. My GoPro protector, waterproof protector, and I got it today. Thank you so much, Lazada. And I'm prepared for my travel. Preparing for my travel. Right, guys. So I wait for another one. I think it will come by the next day or whenever. Yeah, whenever they're gonna deliver available. So that's it. And yeah, today is not much to do here. We're just home and we have start the raining season starting, and always raining by afternoon. And sometimes it get rain early, but most is afternoon. And yeah, guys, so I am planning with my another ride, unknown ride. You know, we're not actually plan those destination that I'm trying to go. So I have to make a time for that and make it right. So of course, with I have somebody, so I can have I feel safer if I have somebody, my friend, she's with me because that is a mountain area. So right, still hold on, and see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Bye bye. See you later.